Hey guys, welcome to Simply Hike. So today we're going to be taking a look at the North Face Glacier 100 fleece. This is an awesome fleece for pretty much any day hiking or everyday hiking, whether it's autumn, winter, spring, or even summer if you feel the cold. So it's got two cool features. The first one should I say, is Polartec technology. So it's going to trap the heat around you a lot quicker. It's going to keep you warmer for longer, but then also as well, it's going to help really wick away the sweat as well. So it's absolutely it's literally perfect for all types of weather, depending on obviously how you feel the cold. And the second option, or the second thing I'm going to talk about, is the fact that it works in a 3-in-1 system. So you've got a hook on the back, and then you've got a hook on the kind of the cuffs there. So if you've got a North Face jacket, you can hook it up inside there like a 3-in-1 system, and away you go. All you have to do is make sure that the size of the fleece is the same size as the jacket, and you're good to go. Obviously though, even if you don't have a North Face jacket, you can, hook this all up, or not necessarily hook it all up, but you can wear it underneath there. So as I say, because it's a 100-weight system, it's nice and light, which does really make it perfect for a 3-in-1 system. I say, making, if you've got like lighter spring summer gear, having this underneath it, will actually amp it up to an autumn winter gear, which is a great thing. So let's take a look at the overall fleece itself. Obviously it's a full zip, nice and easy glide. You've got a little bit of material on the top there. That's just to protect the part of your neck, so the zip itself isn't rubbing on there. And also, as you say, it follows it all the way down, so that's just going to stop any wind chill from going through that fleece to keep you nice and warm, so it doesn't, interfere with your core body temperature. You've got two traditional pockets on there. Again, they're secured. You've got a nice zip on there, nice and spacious, but you can put your bits and bobs in there, zip it up, and that means nothing's gonna be, falling out the pocket. What also you can do, it's a bit of a trick, it's not really designed like that, but on the inside here, this is actually the liner of the pocket. So if you have a map or something, and say this is what you're wearing, you can actually get a map put in there. It's all sealed off on the bottom there, so that is kind of an internal pocket, but if you put anything on the outside pocket, that will determine how much space you can actually fit in there. And then, yeah, hey presto. And just on the back, it's a pretty standard setup, pretty standard size, but you've got that hook there, which is, helps you integrate it into the North Face 3-in-1 system. And that's pretty much it. As I say, 3-in-1 system, it's got Polartec technology, it's gonna keep you nice and warm. And as I say, it's perfect for a 3-in-1 system and, your autumn to winter hiking. Anyway, to check it out or to find out more features about it, check on our website, simplyhike.co.uk. And yeah, thanks for watching and happy trails.
And make sure that the pockets are also the right size. Rule of thumb, pick a fleece with hip pockets and a chest pocket. If you're looking for a fleece to lay out under your jacket, then you don't need to worry about the pockets. In fact, the fewer pockets you have, the more comfortable you will be. And remember, comfort is always key. Additional